So much of my job is about collaboration, and it's no surprise that collaboration means meetings. That's why one of the first places I ever started using Copilot was in Teams. I use it all of the time to help with meeting recaps and group brainstorming. For example, when I'm in a meeting, I can ask questions about the conversation. Here, I ask Copilot for a super simple recap of the 3 proposals that were just presented to make sure the group is all on the same page.
Hey, I could definitely use that feature. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I space out during a long meeting, and it would be really nice to get a quick pointer on what I've missed.
I think we all do it. One of the other great ways Copilot helps with collaboration is for a brainstorming session. I love using whiteboards so that we can leverage Copilot to suggest some additional tactics that build on the group's already great ideas. Copilot can even organize all of our amazing ideas, grouping them into color-coded categories. That's something that would have taken me forever before.
That's impressive. It's almost like Copilot is your personal meeting assistant.
Totally. Just look at that whiteboard example. Without Copilot, I would have been completely distracted in the meeting trying to organize all those different color notes. Copilot in Teams allows me to be present in my meetings, but also move on to next steps quickly after the meeting.